Understanding Federalism, your constitutional rights guide. Imagine a government so balanced that power is shared between a central authority and local governments. That's what federalism is all about. It's a system where both levels of government have their own roles and responsibilities. This setup helps prevent any one part from becoming too powerful and keeps your rights protected. At the heart of federalism is the idea of dual sovereignty. This means the federal government and each state government are independent in their own areas. The federal government has specific powers listed in the Constitution, like regulating trade between states and defending the nation. States keep all other powers not given to the federal government or forbidden by the Constitution. These are called reserved powers, and they include things like running schools, managing police, and handling local courts. The 10th Amendment makes this clear. It says that any powers not given to the federal government or denied to the states belong to the states or the people. This helps ensure states can handle local issues and make laws suited to their communities. It also gives people more control over their daily lives. Federalism also involves shared powers called concurrent powers. Both federal and state governments can tax, create courts, and build roads. But if federal and state laws clash, the supremacy clause in the Constitution says federal law wins. This keeps the legal system consistent across the country. Federalism acts as a safeguard for your rights. It divides government power so that if one level oversteps, the other can step in. For example, the Supreme Court has ruled that the federal government can't force states to enforce federal laws in certain areas. This protects state autonomy and your freedoms. Over time, federalism has grown to better protect your rights. The Bill of Rights originally only limited the federal government. But through the 14th Amendment and a process called selective incorporation, most of those rights now also protect you from state actions. This means states must respect freedoms like speech, fair trials, and equal treatment under the law. The Reconstruction Amendments, which include the 13th, 14th, and 15th Amendments, gave the federal government more power to protect civil rights and voting rights. This created a system where the federal government can step in if states violate fundamental rights. Knowing how federalism works helps you understand where your rights come from. Your rights are protected by both state and federal laws. You can seek help in either court depending on where your rights are challenged. While protections can vary from state to state, the Constitution sets a baseline that all states must follow. In the end, federalism is designed to keep your rights safe by sharing power between different levels of government. It makes sure no single government can control everything, helping to preserve your freedoms and give local communities a say. Understanding this helps you see how your rights are protected and where to turn if they are ever threatened.